In this lesson, you are going to learn what is fabric behavior. The behavior of the fabric is different in different directions. When a fabric is woven on a weaving loom, the lengthwise threads, which are called as warp threads, are stretched and placed in the weaving loom. There is a second thread which is called as the weft thread or the filling yarn, which goes over one warp thread and under one warp thread, over one warp thread, and so on, and thus interlacing and creating the fabric. Since the threads which are in lengthwise direction are stretched and placed on the loom, stronger threads are used in this direction. And for this reason, the lengthwise direction of the fabric is stronger than any other direction. On a woven fabric, you can easily make out the lengthwise direction. The closely woven edges of the fabric is called as the selvage. The threads that are running parallel to the selvage are the lengthwise threads. So when you're cutting out a pattern, you have to place all the patterns in lengthwise direction so that your garments are also stronger. This is considered as the straight grain. So the grain only means the direction of the fabric. So it's important to mention the grain line information on all the patterns that you are drafting. There is one more direction which is called as the bias direction, and this is at 45-degree angle to the selvage. This direction is quite stretchable in comparison to the lengthwise grain or the crosswise grain. Most of the bias cut garments, cowls, flounces, and circle cut skirts are cut in bias direction. The straight line drawn on the pattern with two arrowheads is called as the grain line symbol, and as you can see, the grain line symbol is parallel to the selvage. It means that a pattern which has a grain line marked in vertical direction should be placed on straight grain. The sleeve is also placed on straight grain. Here you can see the back pattern of the blouse is placed on the folded edge of fabric, and you can see a different symbol here which shows two arrowheads pointing towards the fold. This is the on fold symbol. That means the center of the bag should be placed on the folded edge of the fabric. This is a typical kind of pattern layout and arrangement that is followed for most garment cutting.